In this video for brand managers, I'm going to be talking about gray market products, okay? Gray market, entirely different from counterfeit. Gray market products are those that are 100% genuine. They are your products, but they're flowing through the consumer outside your intended distribution channels. Now, what can you do about these products? One, it is a huge mistake to claim that a gray market product that is genuine is in fact counterfeit. If you do that, you are giving the seller that you falsely accused of selling counterfeit products a ton of leverage over your brand. They have legal claims in defamation and in interference of contract, which are two tort claims that they can assert against you. Number two, you're also putting your own Amazon sales at risk because you are or you have allowed someone to make a false claim. Now, there are many things you can do to stop sellers from selling gray market. The basic tenet of stopping gray market sales is to add something to your warranty, to your copyright material, or some other add-on to your product that another seller cannot deliver. WÜSTHOF cutlery is just simply one example of a great warranty that protects the brand against gray market sales. Every single brand, every single product has a way of protecting it against unauthorized sellers. If you would like to schedule an appointment to speak with me, we can look at your products, look at your brands, identify who is stealing your sales, and also have some suggestions ready at our first meeting on what you can add to your product to protect your brand from being sold through the gray market. Thank you for joining me for this video specifically for brand managers. If you'd like to learn more, you can call me, you can email me, you can even scroll down to the bottom of this video and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you very, very quickly. We are here to use all of our knowledge about Amazon to help brands protect themselves.